going. Send that to fucking Nath. Fuck you, Nath.
Get me what? Get me what, bro?
Get you. So we are back at Sunspot, the main event. Supporting Mr. Jamie, Mr. Miru, Emma and the GSP. So we're not going to disturb him, but he's wrenching away because Mr. Jamie, blue is blocking half. There's a crack all the way down the middle. And he worked overnight to get his new engine in.
Hold Jordan left.
Oh, so busy with. Can't disturb him. Well, I don't want to disturb him. He's gonna beat me up probably. We got a Viking on it as well. We'll disturb him. What happened to your face first and foremost?
I lit myself with a ratchet spanner last night. But as you all know, the engine died. Well, it's cracking off. But we'll do a proper little interview in a bit. We haven't even started this engine, so we don't know when it's started.
20 to 10. They're running soon. Miru's knobbly there. Did a new PB. 864, 862. Oh, we got Emski's Glitchachino. Runner up for door slammers. She should have won. And we got the shed. We'll ask Darren a bit if he's running on 4 cylinders today. He should be active. Oh yes. Darren Acme is sweating. Oh god. You're running on 4 cylinders today.
Yeah, man.
That's good. How's it been going for you? Today's been alright?
The line, bruv, innit?
What? How come? You're bugging.
Track's too sticky, innit, man?
So you ain't got enough power. Turn it up. Turn it up, Dean. What's going on? Gordy there, man. Gordy there chilling.
You know where
he's alright.
Don't you, kid?
I'm gonna get you, Gordon.
Morning, get me what?
Get me what?
Bro?
Get you up there. I heard you don't win much or win any money for this event. It's just points.
If you win, there's a tiny amount of money.
Tiny. What's tiny amount?
500 quid.
Better than nothing. But you're playing for points.
Does it?
Yeah. But you're playing for points to get up on the thing.
That's the idea of this game, isn't it?
So then at the end of the season, if you're first, what do you get? Or top 3? You get a trophy.
If you win the series, is it a series? Yeah. Series. So at the end of the year, if you come first, next year's racing's free. Is in all your entry fees.
Everything.
And you win like 1,500 quid.
That's worth freaking playing for.
So you get all your entry fees. So that's, what is it, 6 rounds?
6 rounds at what, 300 quid a pop, 200 pound a pop?
Some of them are 330, some are 280. That's alright.
It's not bad.
It's one of those things to pay for.
Yeah, and you get a nice trophy. How you been getting on, Emma?
Alright, I think.
I've been getting on. I think I watched one of your runs. I just turned it on. I think you were just running. Looked alright. You're consistent. What did you do, a 9.3?
Yeah, no, I've
I think it was a 9.3 run.
8th mile.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. How's she getting on? How's she been treating you?
Yeah, she's been going on.
Running solid since door slammers. I watched it. I was in the petrol station. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
How do we get him?
Get faster.
Get faster. You.
Big one.
Oh man. I'm not sure which way around the trigger is, which is scary.
Check that one there, then, just in case.
That ready to start?
it's jumping forward, backwards, forward, backwards. One of the lines is in line with it, then it'll jump forward, then it'll jump backwards.
And you're on 20, so it's close. It's not 20 degrees out though.
No, 20 degrees is quite a long way. I don't think it's 20 degrees out. When it sort of the revs up a little bit, it does jump to where it should be on one of the lines.
Okay, well.
And 21 and a whole shot win for Scott Hauser. Even when the weather's like this, super sun.
Jam has got a bit of a fuel leak. It's not going to run. Not worth it, is it?
It's more than a fuel leak.
Oh shit.
So basically, everything's the same, but one trigger wheel, the crank trigger wheel is a bit different. But we left it on, so we gone to start it, it wouldn't start for crank signal. So then Gordon adjusted it, done all of that. We flipped it round the other way round to see if it worked, and it did start, but it's a chance of melting the piston. So we could have gone to the line and drove, but no. We don't allow it, and then we had a fuel leak, so Allah's telling me no, Emma, allow it.
Exactly.
And I tell you, so my mum sent me a dua to read yesterday, yeah, and I've been reading it all the way here, and that's the sign. So it worked. So the guidance is there.
Boogie boy! What's going on? You right?
Yeah, very good, very
Nice.
good. Excited.
Why is it fucking sunny?
Why?
Why is it sunny?
Because Jesus is a drag racing fan.
That's who we would have been racing now. But he would have to give me, but he has to give me a head start, 1.5 seconds or something. That's a lot. Yeah. But he's been troubling with fourth gear. Mira's getting his car weighed. Oh, I left my camera in there, it weighs a ton. Shit. All good. Serious boys, these. This is the man that scrutineered Baba Yaga. So he's probably the best rod here, that means. Shh. Let's run before we get beaten up. Jamin didn't make it. He's out. We'll get back to Miro. Emma, unfortunately, red lit. She's also out. And my guy Darren, oh man, he fucking lost. He's out as well. Fuck's sake, man. I would like this courser. Still got one horse in this race. That horse is Miro. Did an 8.7. Unfortunately, I didn't get the run. The freaking camera overheated. Mr. 8.7 run. E for excellent. F for fantastic. W for winner. D for
Dumb.
dumb.
Excellent, fantastic winner, dollar back.
8.7, you're through though. Do you know who you got next?
One of the Williams brothers, his name is Dan Williams.
But they're not William, but they're the Wheelie brothers, man. They're the Grand Landers. William brothers.
The 0-0 reaction brothers.
But the Nobblies proving its worth. She's the lightest here, you know. Lighter than everything.
Miru is about to race Dan Williams, aka Adam Sandler. Let's go check.
Adam Sandler, like the freaking...
The actor.
Happy Madison.
If you watch
Happy Gilmore.
If you watch Happy Gilmore, yeah, put it in the comments. Put in jackass. There's Danny boy. That's who we got.
Okay.
Dad, come here, mate. This is a face-off. My mate goes, he looks like Adam Sandler.
Oh, he does, you know. He does look like
I'm gonna be
Adam
like
Sandler.
jackass. So this is who Amir's gonna run now. Dan Williams. They run all these cars. Yeah.
The Wheelie Brothers.
AKA the Wheelie Brothers. The
Wheelie Bros.
Wheelie or Willie Brothers, up to you. But their dad's a G. You got anything to say to him?
Jackass.
Better get on the tree, boy.
Hey.
Get on the wheel.
Yeah, that's it. And then when you take out this brother, you got that brother, and he's the danger one, you know.
This one.
He like the wheelie. But yeah,
This will be some fun, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Let's have a good race, yeah?
Yeah, man. Wicked.
Awesome.
We love you. You see us in a
See you
bit.
down there, boys.
See you in a bizzle.
Who shall we jump first? Fuck you, alright.
Start with Robbie.
Fuck you, bloody. Fuck you, bloody. Fuck you, bloody.
Moving like a lady.
I've got work. That's Luke Stevenson. If you don't know him, get the fuck out of here. That is our brethren, Mr. Man. Not just because he's a man. That's Jamie, man. The tyre man.
Tyre man.
He
alright.
tarmacs people. Come to Allen Rock. That's what he does.
Does he actually?
That's chef.
Big rock.
Chef makes only halal food. So see him. He's certified.
Fucking what? You've been feeding me
Yeah, you're Muslimic, mate.
Even the pork chops are halal.
fucking not happening.
He's done.
But yeah, but that's Chef. Chef's a cool guy. If not, come to their store. They sell t-shirts, and this is their friend.
Yeah.
Introduce yourself, buddy.
I'm Robbie from Sweden.
Robbie from Sweden.
Alrighty then.
That's not Switzerland, is it?
No, it's a different country.
Okay, sorry.
Need some fancy titanium welding doing. Easy man.
Oh, okay. Where you based?
Sweden.
Oh, the
I know
sausage.
he's from Sweden. I didn't know his garage is in Sweden. I was like, I ain't travelling that far. I'm fucking falling asleep going to Gordon's.
Yeah, but titanium's light to ship. It's fine.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Very light.
But yeah, give him a shout out. He's on Instagram, somewhere from Sweden. Owen, send that to fucking Nath. Fuck you, Nath. I don't even know why this is my beef, but yeah, fuck you, Nath. Oi, oi, Nunga!
Oh shit. You ain't got no clothes.
I love you, Luke. Alright, come check his store, yeah. Mention BMT, get 10% off. Yeah, Luke? Okay. 10% off if they say BMT, alright? I want a hat, man.
Oh, I like his hat. You know,
Yeah,
we need it. We need it today. How much for a hat?
Luke, you got any more hats?
You got your clothes on. Housekeeping.
Oi, this is the guy, Leonardo, from Fuel Tech. Look at him with his backpack. No, there he is. Oh, Juba season.
How cool do you feel in that? As in, like, temperature-wise?
I'm good because I got my nuts out now.
There you go.
But yeah, have you any more hats?
No, straw, no.
Man, when you get some more?
No, never. Because no one buys them. And then because they're straw, if they wait too long, they go mouldy.
True.
So,
Yeah, your lot's lost. I did buy one 3 years ago.
Where's it gone? The mouldy.
No, my son's had it and then they broke in pieces.
yeah, that's it. Straw.
No, sir.
But this is Sheikh Luke.
Go on, shake it then, Luke.
Shake what your mama gave you.
I'm going to put my sandals on.
Alright, Tim.
Why can't you just start?
No, it won't start. It's fucked. I'm not even going to try. It's fucked.
But I want to go and speak to him.
But if we just found out she actually won. But they said she lost.
Is he Ridley?
Because they said he won.
Oh.
But on the ticket,
Oh.
he read it more than ever.
I've only just seen it.
This is Mr. Andy Robinson. He done my cage. He made my car look how it is. And he's the reason I didn't get disqualified. So get in touch with Robinson's.
Robinson Race Cars.
And two things. Favourite person. And the drink is my favourite. So
Robinson's
Robinson,
okay
thank you
then.
very much. I appreciate it.
No problem, guys.
So,
Good.
I want to pick your brain 1 second.
oh, yeah, first of all, how's your son?
Yeah, he's alright.
Is he better? Is he back today?
Yeah, no, yeah. I had it, Luke had it,
What was
and it's just some kind of like bug, sickness bug.
Oh,
we
okay.
felt we rubbish yesterday.
Yeah,
I drove in the morning, and I couldn't even drive in the afternoon. But I'm not
My car didn't really work. Like, it didn't start, and I didn't want to mount another engine, bro. But I got better though. Miru's gone through second round. He's got the Willy man. Biggie's eating an ice cream. That's his 4th of the pot today.
What are you doing here? How dare you, Musa? Your team AJ. I thought you were team Big Saj.
He broke the just.
Wait, excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Where's Baba Yaga? Are you scared? You better be scared, Musa.
I'm not scared.
What are you scared of then?
I saw you on Snapchat.
Oh yeah, yeah. You sent me some nice pictures of AJ.
Okay then. Okay then, no touching bar. Where's that donkey? Yo! Who's next round?
Yeah.
Who's racing?
is racing the Williams brothers.
Yay! Because he's gonna win. I'm saying yay because he's gonna win.
Yo!
Go by right now from the
Let's Bill.
Sabir's at home working on his box shape. Yo!
This is Hugo's car.
We only bought one bag from
He's in the next one. This is in the inside. Everything. Okay.
Gaffer, tell this guy to build his race car, bring it pod in it.
Yeah, I told him that last time.
Pull that thing again. Pull it.
Oh, that's out. Where's that Mr. Coupe man? Where's the Coupe man?
Where's the what?
The
Are
Coupe
you gonna
man.
put some respect on the coupe now? Now they beat AJ.
What we do wrong?
So yeah, a wheelie as well. Go!
When he starts rolling, yeah, try and see if you put in neutral.
Yeah, that's what I was going to try and get him to do.
Yeah. Alright.
Go slowly.
Just hold the clutch.
Go slowly. You're going to try and take it out while you're moving.
Gearbox was splattering everywhere.
Go on, try it. Go a bit, but go a little bit more speed. Okay. Okay, wait. Are you out?
It's stuck.
You know what else it could be? The cable, you know, where you have to adjust it for the reverse.
Yeah.
That might have...
It won't pull it enough.
Yeah, so that might need to take off. Yeah, just keep your clutch down.
Is it neutral?
No, but I know what it could be.
Me and Biggie are going to do a Saj special.
Started here. Saj is alright, man. It's cool, man. Welcome, Biggie. Oi.
Where are you going, Shane? The body off?
Can I get 10 bottles of bleach, please?
Show them the big guns.
Show them the guns, you know. Oh, yeah. Look at the tan, fam. Look at the tan, Bree. Open the bonnet for a second.
Big up Dean.
You know, try and put in neutral. No, not neutral.
You in, yeah?
Oh, yo, relax, bro. Man, gonna die.
For a close race with one of the Williams bros. I think it was Adam Sandler. Miru has unfortunately been knocked out too. Ah, man. Knocked out what? Just racing for points. But anyway, we catch you on the next one, baby.